Yoga is a holistic practice that can be beneficial for both physical and mental health, and it may be helpful in managing symptoms of depression. Here are a few types of yoga that may be particularly helpful for depression. Hatha Yoga. This is a gentle form of yoga that includes poses, breathing exercises, and relaxation. It can help to reduce stress and improve mood. Vinyasa Yoga. This is a more active form of yoga that involves flowing movement and can be an effective way to lift your mood and increase energy. Kundalini Yoga. This practice focuses on the awakening of the Kundalini energy, which is said to be located at the base of the spine. Kundalini Yoga includes breathing exercises, poses, and meditation and can be helpful for reducing stress and improving mood. Restorative Yoga. This is a very gentle form of yoga that utilizes props such as blankets and bolsters to support the body in poses. Restorative yoga can be very relaxing and may help to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Yoga Nidra. This is a form of yoga that involves a guided relaxation and meditation practice. It can be very effective in reducing stress and anxiety, promoting feelings of calm and well-being. It is important to note that while yoga can be beneficial for depression, it should not be used as a replacement for professional medical or psychological treatment. If you are experiencing depression, it is important to consult a healthcare professional to determine the best course of treatment for you. In summary, yoga can be helpful for depression, but make sure to consult a healthcare professional to determine the best course of treatment for you.